There we go. Now that we got that done, we're going to want to go to Advanced on the left-hand side right there. And by default, it'll put your country as Afghanistan, and you're going to want to change that to whatever country you're in. And now you can add some channel keywords. Now, channel keywords are essentially a way to tell YouTube what your channel is about, so you can start ranking your actual channel as well. And you separate the keywords with spaces. And if you have multiple words in a keyword, you put quotations around them. So the name of my channel is Make Money Matt, so we can put one Make Money Matt right there. And as you can see, since there's spaces inside of it, we put quotations around it. Then we can just hit space, and then put a keyword saying make, a keyword saying money, and a keyword saying Matt. Just like that. Maybe another keyword saying make money, and then another keyword saying make money online. Just like that. So we just added a couple keywords right there. Now I recommend hitting save, and this will save your changes and put them into effect. And now that you got that down, let's go back to your actual YouTube channel, and you can do this by clicking these three bars on the top left and then clicking my channel. And then once you're here, hit that customize channel button again. And then once you're here, go to the about section of your YouTube channel. Now, I recommend adding a good channel description because this helps with SEO and everything within YouTube. So you can just quickly type what your channel's about. Just put a couple keywords in there to help you rank, and then just click done. And if you want, you can add an email for email inquiries, like a business email, so people can email you. But for the types of channels we're going to be making to create money, you don't have to do that. I do recommend adding one, though, because then if people have any, like, copyright inquiries or anything, they can contact you. And then down here at the bottom, this little link button right here, as you can see, you can click this and add links, whatever links you want. So, like, say you have a website or something to promote, you can put them in right there, and then they'll appear right up here on the bottom right-hand side of your YouTube channel art. So, guys, those are some of my top ways of optimizing every single new YouTube channel that I create. Alright, guys, now that we have our YouTube channel all set up and optimized, we're going to want to connect it to an AdSense account so we can start making money from our YouTube channel. And you can do this by clicking on your profile picture on the top right and then going to your Creator Studio. And again, it might bring up the new version of the Creator Studio, and we can easily get back to the old version by going to More on the Other Features category right there. Now once we're in the old Creator Studio, we can click Channel on the left-hand side right here. And now as you can see, it says monetization, this little box right here. We're going to want to click Enable. Now, as I said, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to have monetization enabled, but we can apply for monetization before that, and then once you hit that milestone, it'll automatically put the ads on. And then once you hit that amount, your channel will automatically be reviewed and ads will be put on your channel and you can start making money. So to apply for monetization and make an AdSense account, we just click Start. And then you can just read the YouTube terms of service and everything and then agree to it. And once you accept that term, now it's time to sign up for AdSense if you don't already have an AdSense account. If you already have an AdSense account, you can still click Start and then link it to your old AdSense account, and then just click Next. And as you can see, this is the sign up page. And as you can see, this is the new sign up page for Google AdSense. So you can just select everything, select your country, review the terms of service, and then accept, and then just click Create Account. So I already have an AdSense account, so I don't need to make a new one here, but I'm just showing you guys how you do it. And then once you connect your AdSense account and everything, then once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will be automatically reviewed, and then once you're accepted, you can start making money from your YouTube channel. So that's how to sign up for AdSense.